In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Todoist's access to your Google Calendar. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure that your details and permissions are up to date for a seamless and secure experience with your apps. Let's delve into the steps, starting with accessing your Google account permissions. First, you'll want to open a web browser of your choice and navigate to myaccount.google.com/permissions. This page is your control center for managing which apps and services have access to your Google account. It's always a good idea to periodically review these settings to maintain your privacy and ensure that only trusted apps have access. Once you're on the permissions page, you'll see a section titled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Here, all the apps that currently have permission to access your Google account will be listed. This includes applications that you've authorized to use your Google data for their services. It's here that you will locate the app we're concerned with today, Todoist. Scroll through the list until you find Todoist. This application should be listed along with any other third-party apps that have been granted access. Take a moment to verify the apps on this list, as it's always prudent to be mindful of all connections to your account. Once you have located Todoist, click on it. This action will open up more detailed information regarding the access that Todoist has to your Google account. It's often surprising to see just how much data certain apps can access, so reviewing this information can be eye-opening. To revoke access, you'll see the option to remove access. Go ahead and choose this option. It might feel a bit daunting to remove an app's access, but rest assured that this is a reversible action. If in the future you decide to reconnect Todoist with your Google Calendar, you can do so by reauthorizing the app. Once you've clicked on Remove Access, you will have successfully severed the link between Todoist and your Google Calendar. This means that Todoist will no longer have the ability to view or interact with your calendar data. Celebrating small victories like these in managing your digital life is always encouraging. That's it. You've completed the process. It's always a good practice to regularly visit your account permissions page to keep everything up to date and secure. Doing so ensures that your information is shared only with the apps you trust entirely. Remember, managing your app permissions is an ongoing part of maintaining digital security, so kudos for taking this step. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials to keep your digital life safe and well managed.